Hey, good looking. How's everybody feeling this morning? I'm feeling great this morning. The sun is shining. It's supposed to be about 80 degrees where I live in the Midwest. It's going to be a beautiful day. I hope everyone is enjoying today and having a beautiful day wherever you are. So today I wanted to talk to you girls about beach bags. You know, I've been having a bikini and bag series on my channel. It's been so much fun. It's a blast. It's summertime. Who doesn't like to talk about bikinis and bags in the summertime? I know I do. So I wanted to talk to you girls about beach bags today. Let's get right into it. Let me get the bag on the screen. So I wanted to talk to you girls about other bags that you can carry to the beach. So here is a lovely burlap beach bag, and it says beach on it, and it's such a beautiful, large, big tote bag. The reason I wanted to talk to you girls about these lovely bags is because sometimes when you go to the beach, you want to look cute. At least I know I do. I want to sit on the side with my bikini or my all-in-one swimsuit and with a cover up over it. I want to just sit at the little like dock area and enjoy a cocktail. And in that case, I probably would go ahead and carry some of my leather bags, like my lovely Patricia Nash Sabina bag right here. So several videos that I've done, I talked about lovely bags that you can wear to the beach. Those are for on days when you're just going and you want to sit on the sand, on your towel, on your beach towel, and take in the sun. You're going to have several bags with you when you go to the beach. Now, this particular type of bag, the burlap and the canvas totes, are so nice because when you go to the beach, you don't want to go ahead and put your wet towel after you get out the water. You don't want to put your wet towel in your Neverfull, or you don't want to put your wet towel in your Liz shopping tote by MCM. So you want to have nice bags to put your towel in that won't mess up your bag. You want to have a nice bag that's, you know, you don't want to mess up your Dooney and Burke tote with a wet towel. So this particular beach bag, this canvas tote, plus you're going to be bringing extra snacks, water, potato chips, chocolate, whatever else, your suntan lotion. You're going to have a bunch of other items that you're going to bring, and the canvas totes are so nice for that. I love this burlap canvas tote because of the material. I love the raw material, and the handle is in a rope. Absolutely love bags that have a rope handle. If you girls remember a while back, Michael Kors did a line of nautical type bags that had a rope handle. I think I saw a video by my lovely girl Sis What with her Michael Kors handbag that has this lovely rope handle on it. So I love bags that have that thick rope handle, and when it's a beach bag, it just makes you feel so much in the mood for it, because you guys know at the beach you're just going to encounter so much seashells and, you know, real fresh items. You're going to just encounter so much. You're out there in the heart and soul of it, you guys. So I absolutely love a bag that's so textured like this one. You're going to be collecting seashells. You're going to see a little crab walking along the water. So it's so fun to have these type of bags. And I have to do a throwback here. So back in 2017, and I'm going to insert a photo here. Back in 2017, this same bag, you guys, I wore it, I enjoyed it. That was so many years ago, and here's a picture of it on my Instagram. And it was so nice to, you know, have this bag and enjoy it now in 2023. It's so nice to still enjoy this bag. So it's so nice how some bags, quality bags, some of your quality leather handbags, as well as just some of your fun play bags, last forever in your collection, and you can go ahead and enjoy them year after year after year, like this lovely beach bag that I enjoyed back in 2017. And here we are in 2023, and I'm still a handbag lover. I'm still a handbag addict. I'm still a handbag collector so many years later, and this lovely bag, I can still enjoy it. So I wanted to talk about that. Now, one thing that I like to style when I wear this particular beach bag is this lovely hat right here. And the reason I love it is because I just think the texture of it goes so well, the material of it with that beach bag. And I did go ahead and I did my own little DIY with the band around it here. I put the Louis Vuitton ribbon from my Louis Vuitton Speedy bag. I put it around the hat, you guys. and wore it, and I just thought that was so cute because all of us have this blue ribbon by Louis Vuitton, and you just have it around, knocking around. You don't know what to do with it sometimes. I've also used the blue ribbon for an agenda. I use it as a placeholder in my agendas, so I think it comes really in handy as a placeholder in your agenda, as well as a string band for your beach hat to just add that little bit of extra spice where it says Louis Vuitton. So I wanted to talk about those two bags today. The next bag that I wanted to talk about that is a lovely beach bag is this one right here. And this is a lovely burlap tote. It's so huge, it's probably gonna take up the whole frame. So let me go ahead and show it to you guys. So it's a lovely, lovely burlap tote, and it has beautiful dragonflies on it. And once again, it has the rope, the textured rope strap for it. These are great large tote bags for the beach that can fit your beach towel, your potato chip bags, your suntan lotion, a couple bottles of water, your extra bikini, just everything that you're gonna use at the beach. So I have a couple items right here, and I wanted to share what all I'd be bringing with me to the beach with this lovely bag. So of course I wanted to bring this mug because I think this would look so cute with that particular bag. So I thought this Ray Dunn mug was really, really cute with the butterfly on it. Next, of course, I'm gonna need some flip-flops. We're at the beach, so I'd be wearing this lovely pair of Michael Kors flip-flops. I think these are so cute, and because it's gold, it goes with just about everything. This gold is so feminine. The gold color, gold and cream together is just so feminine. I think it's a really, really feminine pair of Michael Kors sandals, flip-flop sandals for the beach. That's gonna look really, really cute with my little dragonfly, butterfly type theme here. Of course, I'm gonna be using my butterfly charm by Coach on this bag. Now, the butterfly charm has the lobster claw clasp, and it's a little bit too thick to fit around the rope on the bag. So I have just like a D-ring, it's actually an O-ring attachment from Amazon that I'll be able to use. I have it in my room back there. I'll be able to use that O-ring attachment, and then the butterfly charm will be able to fit on the bag. I'll be able to put the butterfly charm around the rope right here so that it holds. But this is gonna look so cute as well, the butterfly charm on this lovely bag at the beach. So I think that's gonna look really, really pretty, you guys, to accent the bag. And then, of course, I'm going to be doing some journaling while I'm at the beach. I'm looking in my agenda and what I have upcoming for work projects or just for hanging out, you know, different things, so I can journal while I'm at the beach. So I'll go ahead and bring some journals and, you know, diaries with me just to log in while I'm at the beach, as well as some lovely butterfly stickers. So that's going to be really, really fun. And then I wanted to share an additional beach bag that you can carry with you to the beach. So here is an additional beach bag that you can carry with you to the beach, you guys. And this time around, it's a Tommy Bahama beach bag. So this is a beautiful nautical type beach bag with the anchor on it. Once again, I love the texture and the feel of the canvas and the burlap totes. And this one as well has the rope handle strap for a tote bag. So I absolutely love that. I love when they do the ropes in different colors like blue and pink. So this is so, so nice in the lovely blue. So this is a Tommy Bahama beach bag. It only has the anchor on one side, but that's fine. You know, if you don't want the anchor look, you could just go ahead and wear it and sport it on the plain side. But the anchor side, just there you go. It just beachatizes it. So I absolutely love this one for a beach bag. So I wanted to share the items that I would carry with me to the beach with this lovely bag. You guys, I've been rocking the heck out of my blue bikini this year. This bikini got so much wear out of me this year, you girls. My blue bikini right here. So I've been enjoying this bikini this season for the beach, and the season isn't over yet. It's just getting started, as a matter of fact. So I know I'm going to get plenty more wear out of this bikini. I've been enjoying this one right here, my blue bikini. And since we're doing blue, I'm going to go ahead and carry this notebook with me, as well as this Coach large zip wristlet right here in the denim. I think that's going to look so cute with this bag when I go ahead and pack everything. I think that will look so pretty. Here I am, I'm still here with this bag, and also other accessories. Since the anchor is trimmed in red, I thought the lovely Coach cherry items would be nice accessories to carry with me to the beach with this particular bag. I think the blue and the red together just rocks. I think that's gonna look so cute with this nautical theme bag right here. So I hope you girls enjoyed my video on all these lovely beach bags. And you don't have, we'll be back to contemporary and luxury bags in a minute, but you don't always have to spend money to look good, especially when you're going to the beach. You know, you don't want to always take your most expensive bag out there because there's the risk of your vachetta getting wet with the water. So you don't always want to take your Neverfull to the beach or a more expensive bag. So on days like that, you can always go ahead and just still bring some cute bags like these nautical type bags. And I have a few more of these that I want to talk about with you girls in another video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I can talk. I don't want to leave. I don't want to get off the camera, but we're going to make a part 2 to this video, and we're going to come back and talk about some more of these lovely beach bags. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you girls in my next video. Bye!